Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5 that consists of myself, Jasmine, Reyandi, Dwi Aryanti Nuraena, Habidayanti Ramdona, Larasafna Krisnayanti, and Rizma Amanda. We are going to explain about shipping documents in export and import. What are shipping documents? The shipping documents are or electronic files that detail how a shipment has taken or should take place. Shipping documents are those forms, records, or certificates needed to take delivery of a shipment or for a delivery to clear customs. These documents are needed in order to bring a shipment into compliance with the regulation of the countries through which it travels. Next slide, please. Apart from the physical transportation of the goods from the buyer to the seller, there are various kinds of documents involved in shipping documents. Next.
First is shipping instruction. Our shipping order is a letter made by the shipper and addressed to the carrier with the intention of booking the shipment or ship transportation. The shipping instruction document data regarding goods, type, quantity, weight, and others regarding the goods. Order, name of sender, name of recipient, name and place of destination port, invoice number, applicable sales contract, FOB, CNF or CIF, and the desired shipment date. This is the example of shipping instruction. Next. Second is bill of lading. The bill of lading, also known as BL, is a contract of carriage between the shipping line and the cargo owner. It's a document issued by the carrier to acknowledge the receipt of cargo for shipment on board their vessel. The bill of lading includes the following: shipper name, consignee name, types of goods, number and weight of goods, loading port name, the name of the port of unloading, carrier name, ship name, date of BL number. And this is the example of bill of lading. Next.
Next is packing list. Just like the bill of lading, the packing list is a mandatory document in shipping merchandise by ocean freights. Information regarding the cargo include weight, volume, and value of not only the overall cargo, but also each individual box. As you can see, the packing list informs freight forwarder, importer, exporter name and address, net and gross weight, custom office, and carrier, and of the goods you're sending without need to physically verify the contents. Next. Next is commercial invoice. Any international transaction that involves importing or exporting goods must come with a proof of sale known as the commercial invoice. In large part, it's similar to a standard invoice. The invoice contains the following data. First is name and type of goods, quantity and weight of goods. Next is the price of goods is based on a sales contract. Next is name of sender or seller and name of consignee and buyer. And the last is name of port of loading and name of port of destination or unloading.
Okay, next. Certificates of origin. The certificates of origin is a document document issued by and identifies the country of origin of its product. Most countries accept a generic certificate of origin from that included number one, information about the exporter and importer. Number two, the description and harmonized tariff code of the goods. Number three, the country of origin. And this is example for the document. Okay, next. Uh, okay, next, delivery order. An order document for delivery of goods that has been ordered with mutual agreement between the seller and buyer, addressed to the company warehouse. Its functions are number one, as an official statement of the purchase of goods from the seller to the buyer. Number two, provide details of goods clearly. Number three, as proof that the buyer has uh, received the goods through the signature list on the delivery order. And this is example for document. Okay, next.
Documents that are used in the process of shipping goods, especially export shipment from one country to another, are called shipping documents, which have the following function. First function is for protecting the cargo from the moment it's prepared to be loaded onto the ship at the port of loading until the cargo is handed over to the owner or those entitled to receive the goods at the port of destination. The second function is for declare ownership rights to the goods carried by the ship as well as other rights arising as a result of the transportation. Vocabularies and expressions which are commonly used in shipping document. This is the sample of vocabulary that commonly used in shipping document. The first sample is bill of lading. Bill of lading is a list of goods and shipping instruction. And second, CNF. CNF is a cost and freight. Cost and freight include shipping to named port but not insurance. Third is CIF. CIF is a cost, insurance, and freight. Cost insurance freight is cost insurance freight includes insurance and shipping to named port. Next is custom. Custom is a government tax or duty on imported goods. Official will collect this tax. And the last is declare. Declare is to make a statement of taxable goods, etc. This is sample of expression that commonly used in a shipping document. First sample expression is the goods will have to be inspected by custom. In the sentences, inspected mean check it. The second sample is the goods will remain in warehouse pending pick up. Pending in these sentences mean before pick up. And the last is the freight seems to be free of damage. Free of damage mean undamaged. And so many vocabularies and expression used in a shipping document.
That's all from our group. Thank you for your attention and your time.